what is happening. I'm not sure this is gonna work. Take my hand and let's go. So it's probably been at least 15 years since I've had a skirt or worn a skirt.
Where you trying to go for the day? 'Cause I got a couple ideas.
Couldn't tell you why. Maybe it just didn't evolve with me into my edgy classic style. Maybe it was like a functional thing. But I think as time went on, I just became less comfortable in them as well. And that doesn't make me feel like my best version of myself, or just makes me feel a little bit more awkward. So I think now I sort of feel like I need to practice what I preach, because I keep saying like, oh, style what you're scared of and step outside your comfort zone and all these different things. As well as that, what sort of has come, you know, together as well is me incorporating a little bit more femininity and a little bit more elegance into my style this last year. So I think now I'm sort of starting to feel a little bit safer to try a skirt. I mean, I would consider myself a pretty style confident person, but that is not to say that it still does not scare the hell out of me, if I'm being completely honest. I guess the question is, can I make this work for myself? And I think even more so, can I feel confident in it? And can it elevate my style in a way that feels right, that feels like me? So I think that's what this video is about. I just kind of feel like I've been really curious about it. So we'll see.
Let's go. Fly.
So I feel like a lot of others have this sort of issue as well. You know, pieces that you're scared of. So I thought, yeah, I'll take you guys along the journey of my sort of fear conquering. Let's style her up. But before we do that, I need to do one thing first. Okay, so real talk. Even on the best of days, girl can get pretty sweaty. So on days where I'm styling something that scares me, I definitely need some backup. So this is Lumi, rhymes with gloomy. Lumi deodorant is a whole body deodorant for pits, privates, and beyond. This baby comes in handy because it goes everywhere. And girl, I mean everywhere. No alcohol, no irritation, and the soft powder smell gives clean t-shirt vibes. The stick is solid, but it leaves nothing behind, which in my line of work is key, because I can't tell you how many times I've filmed something and then realize there's a little something left behind and there's no going back at that point. So this is added security. And this cutie little cream I reach for when I don't want things to get out of hand, because Lumi is clinically proven to block body odor all day and continues controlling BO for 72 hours. That's what mama needs. Oh, and let's not forget that Lumi was created by an OBGYN herself. So with the bundle I've got here today, it's got you covered, quite literally. Lumi's starter pack bundle is a great deal for new customers. It comes with a full-size stick deodorant, a cream deodorant, spray deodorant, 2 free products like the wipes or mini body wash. This comes with free US shipping, and just for my followers, Lumi is offering an extra $5 off when you click the link down below and by entering my special code at checkout. That's a deal of 40% off. Not bad. Okay, well now that I'm smelling like a lavender legend, let's tackle this skirt. All right, so here we go. Yes. So for those of you who have been following me for a while, you know as well as I do that this looks very foreign here on this channel. But let's see what I can do. Okay, so I'm just kind of starting off with kind of like what you would, you know, expect. A sort of elegant, sophisticated outfit, and kind of, we'll kind of go from there. We will start off here. And then I think just like adding these pointed toe mesh flats, there's nothing wrong with this situation. I just don't feel like myself in this, because again, I think it's a really chic outfit, but there's no little edge. How are we gonna make this Emily-fied? You know, nice little. So I think the best place to start would be shoes. Okay, let's just go, yeah, we'll go with my safety. Some Chelsea boots, right? Okay, there's some Chelsea boots. That definitely feels better. The thing is, I don't know if that feels too heavy with the black on black. This is why I wish the skirt was a little bit shorter, because I'd love to show a little bit of skin gap. But okay. I think for argument's sake, I just want to try something. These socks are definitely not the best choice. Okay. Wow. That's just ridiculous. Okay. Come on now. Wheatley, you're better than this. You guys, I seriously, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Okay. I'm gonna change the layer and see if that helps. All right, let's just see how that feels first. Okay. That feels breezy, you know. I feel like I've seen this outfit before, but I don't know, kind of works. Let's maybe do my little chola button. Okay. Oh gosh. My mic's over here, hopefully. So this definitely feels better. But I think we can do better. Okay.
This whole time I've been searching for the wrong thing. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, baby, believe me. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back.
Don't let me forget that my mic is right here. I need to put it back up. My Ralph Lauren polo bear. And that's kind of what I like. I've seen this look done, you know, like the sweatshirt with the silk skirt a lot. And I really love that look. It feels just very effortless and, you know, like I woke up with like this vibes. Oh my gosh, you guys. I bet you guys were all saying, your mic, don't forget your mic. Oh goodness, okay. Yeah, so I feel like this is cute and breezy. I think we need to change up the shoes. So I think the ones I'm gonna try are my loafers. This is feeling good. Cause I like that little bit of skin showing. I'm still not sure about this, like this kind of just all does like the shape of it all isn't quite working. That's what I think it is about skirts. It's just, it always feels like there's not enough shape. It just feels like one big blah, you know? I think I'm gonna put a longer t-shirt on underneath. All right, got the mic. This feels more me because the loafers kind of add a little bit of that like masculine charm to the femininity of the skirt. And as well as that, these loafers are a little bit edgier. Let's see. We just add in a bag. Yes, okay. Just realized no pockets. That's a big thing for me. Like I struggle without pockets. That's another issue for another day. Okay, so let's keep going. Yeah, all right. Feeling a little better now. Before we go on to the next, I just want to try one other pair of shoes. So I just wanted to try it with, oh, that is adorable. Okay, that feels very me. I just like that casual, sporty, boyish charm, then contrasted with the feminine, elegant skirt. And then on top of that, you know a girl loves a tie-in, so I love that the color, the cream color ties in with the cream oat. It's actually oat color of the sweater. So that's feeling good.
Believe me, you found my heart in my mind, fighting for my bones. And I'll never have to brave the cold alone. She's the kind you only find in a story. Somebody fight for.
All right, so we've got the shrunken tee. I think that just is very 90s-esque. And again, it's like the perfect pairing because they are just like the perfect counterpoint to each other. I'm just not sure is like the shape, like is that shape, or that feels better with like just a little tuck, you know? Millennial in me can't help it, but. So the shoes are definitely cute. I do like it. And there's like a little bit of a tie-in. You probably can't see it there, but there's like a little blue stripe in there. But again, I think we can do better. I think I'm gonna keep it in the casual realm. I love these shoes, but they are a flippin' nightmare to get on and off. All right, my Pumas. Those are very 90s-esque as well. I tell you what, I did not pick the right socks for, should have picked black for today. What do we think? I think we can do better though. Yeah. Fishnets, even more nostalgia for me. Early 2000s, was well into fishnets. Okay, see if that feels any better. And it just adds that little sneaky detail. I love sneaky details that kind of go unnoticed unless like somebody's really looking. And then when somebody does notice it, it's like, poof, you know. Do we need a cardigan? In real life, as much as I would like to just embrace a simple t-shirt, because I love just a simple t-shirt, in the springtime, it's just not realistic for mama. No, let's try this guy. Goodness gracious. I literally can't have black anymore with these oatmeal wheeling twins of mine. Oh, goodness. Whatever. Okay. Let your life show, right? Let your life show on your clothes. Okay. That I think I like that little like contrast of textures. But I don't know, it just feels a little heavy to me. No oatmeal. We're in the clear. Okay, I like that because it still keeps that like simple silhouette. If it like got warm out, you know, then you can do something like that. If you get warm and you want to yeah, then you add another little bit of interest or texture, and I like that. I think I like that more than any looks I've tried on today. Is that tied around my waist? Okay, girl. Yeah, let's just do like a little tie-in detail though. This cutie little purse, just so happen to have it here in my office, and it ties in with the gum sole of my shoes. I love a little sneaky tie-in. How are we feeling about this? I think I have to go look at myself in the real mirror. So, hold please. As I was going to the mirror though, I found this little cutie and thought, you know, you gotta try it out. So, all right, my friends, I don't know. What do you think? Should I let her join my style story?
She's the sun on my back, babe, believe me. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, babe, believe me. Believe me. Believe me. She's the sea, she's the sun on my back, she's everything. She's my captain, she's the sea.